Hey guys, today we're going to draw Titan Drillman from the Skibidi multiverse. So grab a pencil, paper, and let's get started on him. So the first thing we're going to draw is a cone shape. And I'm going to just start here and bring it up like that. And then on the other side, bring it up the same way. And then you're going to just curve the top like that. That's going to create kind of our cone. Now on the bottom side of this cone, we're going to do a circle that kind of comes behind. Okay, and then we'll do one more circle that's just on the outside of that one, but then stop about here and we're going to create just these little gears that come around the outside edge of the circle. Just like that, all the way around like that. Okay, now on the inside of this drill head, just draw some kind of curved lines like that. They don't have to be perfect at all, but they're gonna just come down and create kind of this look of a drill. Okay, now for his head, I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna just follow the shape of the drill and add some additional lines that come out and down like that. Let's do it again. Up here on the top, like this. Kind of trying to make him look like a machine. And down like that. Now over to the right side, we'll kind of go like that. And over with just maybe a couple lines like that. All right, we've got his head done. We've got his chest. In the inside of his chest, let's draw a circle. And then let's just add a few gear shapes like we did on the face that just kind of come on the outside like that. Just going around the circle. We aren't going to go around the entire thing. We just kind of want to create the look of gears that are there. Maybe I'll put one more right here. And we'll call that good. All right, let's move on to his arms. His arms are going to come out from the side of his head, just like this. And bring them down here. This one will just go right there. And then create a curve to where the arm is going to go out for the rest of this bot. And then on the left side, I'm going to come down and curve over for his chest. And let's go ahead and finish his torso off by coming down, curve in. This will be the little pointed part goes right down to where his legs start. And then I'm going to just add in a line for kind of his belt and a little square here. Okay, now let's go ahead and go to the arms. We'll come back to the legs. So each arm is going to have very similar look. So we'll start with the left arm. I'm going to come over and kind of create these layers that come out. So we'll go like that, kind of create that layer. Maybe I'll put a little box on the inside. And then what I want to do to kind of create the joint is I'm going to curve up here. I'm going to follow and then curve down. And then let's create this little wheel here that'll be for the joint of kind of his elbow, and then curve in. Now if I go too fast, just pause and catch up, and then just restart the video. All right, now for kind of the rest of his elbow, let's create kind of a shape like this. Comes up and in. And I'm gonna just add another one on the inside like that. And to finish off the joint, have that kind of hide behind there, and then draw kind of what looks like a little dude just right there. All right, so far so good. All right, now let's go on to his forearm. We'll create this shape. Anytime you're drawing like these Titan guys, they've got a lot of details, so don't worry. Like I said, just pause if I go too fast. Create this shape. This is kind of his forearm, and I'll just do a couple lines. And now we can do his first drill. So for his drill, it's going to be a kind of tube shape. So we'll curve up like that and curve down like that. And then we'll go ahead and do a curve up here with some circles in the middle. That, maybe one over here on the outside. All right, now on the bottom, we'll do another drill, just like he has on his face. And then we'll do curves like we did before. Awesome. Now up on the top, last thing we're gonna do is kind of create this little cone that comes up and these little points. Just kind of gives it that extra look. All right, let's do the other arm. Same thing. So we're gonna follow a similar thing. We won't have it go as far out because we're trying to create a look as if it's kind of more realistic. And so to get the depth right, we don't want the arms to be the exact same size. So we kind of want that left arm to look like it's bigger. So I'm doing similar shapes, similar lines. Let's add that little square in there. Now on this joint, we're not really gonna see much on the inside. So I'll curve like that, and instead of having the little man shape, I'll just do a curve like that. Then we can come over here for his forearm and just keep that, that repetition going like that. Come over here, and we're back to doing the drill. So again, we'll do this same shape for this drill. It comes down here, and the same carrot shape comes down like that, and the same lines that are going to curve. Maybe I'll bring this one over a little like that. Do the curvy line up on the top and the little circles in the middle. All right, let's do the top, which kind of comes over like this. One last bump. All right, now the only thing I'm going to do different on this side, just to add some variety, is let's add like a little filter that comes inside here, like that. Nice. All right, guys, we are down to just his legs. So on his legs, you're going to curve out from each side, just like that. And then kind of like how the arms were, we're gonna have it have just a little, I don't know, indent, I guess you could call it, something like that. And then the joint is gonna be coming out from the inside here with the little rounded shape, just like the other ones. Now let's add these little knee plates. They're gonna go over his knee, little circle, middle. Do that on both sides. Little circle. And then for his calves, we'll come down with the knee, or with a calf plate, I guess we'll call it. And then his shins, that will come down like this and finish up. Okay, so same thing on the other side. Calf plate that goes like that. A little shin plate, and then the rest of the metal piece that comes like that. Now we got to just finish his feet, which is just going to be a real simple shape. I'm going to add plates on his feet too, and then we will be done and do it on the other side. So thank you guys for hanging out. I hope you'll check out some of my other videos. I have some in the Skibidi universe and others. And if you'd like, check out, I have some books on Amazon. And I'd love it if you checked them out. Links in the description. Thanks so much. I will see you guys in the next video.